What's up, everybody? Supreme Decisions here, and I've been getting a lot of questions, which was odd to me because of the method in which I use to teach. A lot of the strategies I employ are directly from chess as well as the art of war. And just to give you a little bit of something, the supreme art of war is to subdue the enemy without fighting. That is directly from Sun Tzu in the art of war. Because in the realm of strategy, victory lies not only with brute force, but in the ability to outwit and outmaneuver one's adversaries. The path to triumph is paved with clever tactics and a deep understanding of the art of war. So when we're going into these courtroom battles, we have an adversary. And I've used the context of even going in and saying, you know what, your citation, your court date, that's the day to fight, because you have the right to confront your accusers. And in the midst of that accusation, they have to then have power or the ability to do that. Now, what most people don't understand is the courtroom is not a place for truth. It's a place for law. And the law does not care about feelings, doesn't care about sides. It only cares about strategy and the implementation of it. This is why whenever we're going out and we extract emotion from it, we just take it away, because law, again, doesn't care either way. It only cares about itself. When you're trying to put yourself above law, law will take over, and you will then feel like, oh my God, this is something that they're doing me wrong, when in fact you're not applying the proper strategy, which is why you're contacting me. Because remember, strength lies not solely in physical might, but also in mental prowess and strategic thinking. In every battle, seek to explore your opponent's weaknesses, capitalize on opportunities, and adapt swiftly to changing circumstances. Just to give you a couple of anecdotes from that, right? And I mispronounced that anyway. I did a video, said why you are not winning in court. The young man said on video, I sent him in there and told him to say nothing. They were berating him, they were talking crazy to him, they were telling him all kind of crazy things. After he did what I told him to do, the next appearance, he was Mr. Everybody was speaking differently. Even on yesterday, I had a young lady that I'm helping. She was more mentally consumed with ideas of things that were not going to happen. She implemented a strategy in which I told her to implement. She then saw the shift in the courtroom. She heard the verbiage change. Why? Because now she's doing something prolific. She's implementing the strategy that not only changes the mindset, but shows that she is prepared for battle. And these are the things that I offer to you when you're contacting me for help, for assistance, for guidance. All of these things are there. Why? Because I understand the art and I understand how each piece moves. I'll show you how to capitalize on opponent weaknesses, because the greatest weaknesses, they are not practicing law. Because if they were, why do we only have law enforcement that's going to school for 6 weeks, 9 weeks, when you have people that are attempting to be lawyers going to school to practice law for 7 years, not months? I'm gonna close real quick with this, because again, this was not supposed to be a long video, and I just wanted to give you an idea of why it is I teach the way I do. Because let us approach life with the mindset of true strategy. May we face our challenges with unwavering determination, our minds sharp and focused. Together we shall conquer obstacles, achieve great triumphs, and emerge victorious in this art of life. Because I am the concierge of justice. You call me because you want to win, because that is what I do.